Well, here we are talking about how to resell products, how to sell your own products, and how to list your products, market them on Amazon. A lot of people nowadays are interested to start earning money and make a good profit on their fingertips by just comfortably sitting at their home and working online. Well, here's one of the options: selling products on Amazon. It is giving a good profit margin and you can make a good money if you pay good attention and you're consistent on your job. Hello and welcome to Bosswala English. I am Tanisha Sharma and today I will guide you through every single detail that you need to know regarding listing the products, what will be the profit margin, how to sign up, how to resell products, how to create your own brand, how to market them and how to list your products. So let's get started. So the first very important point is how can you sell your products on Amazon? How to sign up. So let's understand this step by step. So the very first important thing is to create an Amazon seller account, which will help you sell your products online to people. So first you have to go to sellercentral.amazon.in or your country's Amazon seller page that can vary in different countries. So first you have to go to that page. Second, you have to click on sign up and select individual if you want higher per sale fee and no monthly charges, or you can choose professional where you will have to pay, for example, 499 rupees month but lower per sale fee would be there. Third, you will have to enter your business details like tax information, GST, PAN in India, EIN in the US, and your bank details. Once all these things are approved by Amazon, you have successfully signed up and you're ready to list your products. Now let's talk about one of the most important things that will help you earn more money. That are products. It matters a lot that what products are you reselling or selling for your own brand. So let me tell you about finding profitable products that you can sell on Amazon and earn good money. So let's start with reselling. So for reselling, you have to buy products on wholesale. Once you buy products in large quantity for a lower price, then you can list them on Amazon. Maybe you can name them as your own brand, you can make a few changes or whatever you want, and then you can list them on Amazon and sell it for a higher price, which will give you a good profit margin and a good mid earning. You can use sources like Flipkart Wholesale, Alibaba or local markets as well. You can get products from the local market and then sell it on Amazon. Second, private labeling. Here you can sell your own brand and custom made products which are trending and unique. So for example, you make scented candles at home. Now you can label them with your own brand's name and sell it on Amazon for a higher price and earn the profit. Let's take examples like mobile accessories, fitness bands, handmade candles or eco-friendly stationery. These are the things which are absolutely trending nowadays and you can tap into it, which is very easy to create at home. You just need to have creativity and unique thinking and you're ready to go. You can also use tools like Helium 10, Jungle Scout or Keepa to check demand and competition. Always aim for a profit margin of more than 30% after removing the Amazon fees. Only then you will be in profit and you'll see money coming your way. Now let's talk about listing your products on Amazon. So to list your products, you just have to follow these steps. First, you have to go to Seller Central. Like I said, you have to sign up in the sellercentral.amazon.in and there you have to tap on add a product. Then you have to update high quality pictures and images of your products. You can also use videos if you're comfortable. Try to have images or videos in high quality for the customers to understand everything related to product nicely. Also, using a white background for your products is recommended because it makes the products outshine. Then you have to write an SEO optimized title. Also, you have to add bullet points and description, every single detail related to your products. What is the products, how to use it. For example, if you're selling clothes, then you have to mention what fabric is it, what is the length, it is stitched or semi-stitched, like that kind of details. So try to check the competitors and ensure you make a profit after Amazon's referral and fulfillment fees. Next, you have to choose the fulfillment. So first is FBA. fulfillment by Amazon, where the Amazon itself stores the products, packs the products and ships the products to the customers. And second is FBM, fulfillment by merchant, where you handle the storage, shipping and packaging of your own products and you ship them to the customers directly. For example, if you're selling handmade candles, use Amazon Handmade for better exposure. So according to your products, you can choose whether you want fulfillment by Amazon or you want to ship or pack your products yourself. Now, everyone wants the maximum profit or outcome that they can have from their products. But how to price for maximum profit? Well, we all know that pricing affects your profits a lot. So consider these points before setting the price for your products. First, product cost. What is the manufacturing or wholesale price of your product? Second, Amazon fees. Like I said, Amazon charges different sort of fees like referrals, closing, fulfillment fees. So you have to consider these points as well. Third, shipping cost. This in the condition only if you are shipping the products directly to the customers. Let's again take an example here. If your cost is 200 rupees, for example, of a product, now the Amazon fees are charging 50 rupees and the shipping cost is 30 rupees, then you should price your products above 400 rupees to maintain at least a 30 to 40% of profit margin. You can also use Amazon's fee calculator to set your pricing and to understand how much profit are you making on a single product. And accordingly, you can set the pricing. Now you have signed up on Amazon, you have listed your products, you have decided the pricing, but how are you going to get your first order? Well, getting your first sales or order can be tricky because there are millions and billions of products on Amazon. So how can you outshine? Here's how you can boost the visibility of your products. You can run Amazon PPC ads, so your products will appear in search results faster. Second, offer discounts and bundles. For example, a 3-pack of scrunchies sell faster than just one scrunchie. So you can create bundles of your products or you can create custom hampers to sell your products faster. Third, getting reviews. Use Amazon's request a review button to gain credibility. Last but not the least, leverage social media platforms. You can drive traffic from Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, from where people will directly come to Amazon after seeing your products on social media and they will purchase it. Now let's talk about marketing your products. So to sell your products more consistently, you have to focus on marketing a lot. So for marketing, first is Amazon SEO. You have to use high-ranking title and bullet points to increase the visibility of your products. Second, sponsored ads. You have to invest a significant amount of 500 to 2000 rupees to reach customers through ads, which is one of the fastest and most effective ways to reach out to customers. Next, influencer marketing. You can collaborate with Instagram or YouTube influencers whom people watch and they get views in lakhs or millions, from where people can get to know about your products and they can visit Amazon and buy it from there. Next, lightning deals and coupons. With this, you can increase and boost your visibility and also attract impulsive buyers. Now, because you have listed your products, you have set the pricing, you know how to market your products, how to increase the visibility, let's talk about how can you scale your business. So once you have started getting regular orders and your products are selling nicely, now it's time to scale your business. So you can start with expanding to international market like in US, UK, UAE, and you can get more orders from the international customers. Next is private labeling. You have to build your own brand and trademark, and then automate with FBA and virtual assistants. This will help you focus on the growth of your business. For example, if you have started selling generic leather wallets, consider branding them with custom packaging and logos to increase the value of your products. Well, now you are ready to sell your products on Amazon. So you just have to be consistent, focus on the points that I have discussed before, set the right pricing, get a good profit margin of more than 30%. You can whether resell products on Amazon, you can create your own brand or sell your own handmade products. That is absolutely up to you. Just be consistent, focus on the growth and scale your business. Well, this is it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Bosswala English. And also, if you want to know every single detail about how to sell your products on Amazon, you can download Bosswala app now. Bosswala helps you learn practical strategies and framework directly from successful business owners through one-on-one video calls or video courses. Not just that, Bosswala provides you with the tools and resources that you need to start, operate and grow your business. So download Bosswala app now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.
Bosswala. Be the boss.